Did you know there are over 700 UNESCO Biosphere Reserves around the world, but many remain hidden from the public eye? These reserves are often tucked away in remote locations, far from the bustling crowds and tourist hotspots. Today, I'm diving into some of these secret sanctuaries that you probably never knew existed. These places are not just about scenic beauty, they are vital for the health of our planet. UNESCO Biosphere Reserves play a crucial role in conserving biodiversity and promoting sustainable development. They serve as living laboratories where sustainable practices are tested and refined. They are places where people and nature coexist in harmony. Local communities often play a significant role in maintaining the balance between human activity and natural preservation. But not all of these reserves are famous tourist spots. Many are hidden away, waiting to be discovered by those who seek a deeper connection with nature. Let's uncover some hidden gems that deserve your attention. These places offer unique experiences and a chance to witness nature in its most pristine form. Many people think of UNESCO sites as crowded tourist destinations like the Great Barrier Reef or Yellowstone National Park. While these places are undoubtedly spectacular, they are just the tip of the iceberg. This misconception leads to the neglect of lesser-known reserves that are equally important for global conservation. These hidden treasures often go unnoticed, despite their immense ecological value. These hidden reserves are often overshadowed, despite their unique ecosystems and critical roles in maintaining biodiversity. They are home to rare species and fragile habitats that need our protection. Ignoring them not only means missing out on their beauty, but also undermines conservation efforts that are vital for our planet's health. By bringing attention to these places, we can help ensure their preservation. Let's start with the Mount Arrowsmith Biosphere region in Canada. This reserve is a testament to the incredible diversity of life that can be found in one area. Nestled on Vancouver Island, it's home to diverse forests, wetlands, and marine areas. Each of these ecosystems supports a wide range of species, making it a hotspot for biodiversity. Or consider the Palawan Biosphere Reserve in the Philippines, which boasts pristine beaches and an astonishing variety of marine life. This reserve is a paradise for marine biologists and nature lovers alike. And then there's the Valle de la Siana in Spain, a hidden gem that offers a glimpse into the natural world of the Iberian Peninsula, a sanctuary for endangered species like the Cantabrian brown bear. This reserve is crucial for the survival of this iconic species, providing a safe haven where they can thrive. Each of these reserves offers unique habitats and plays a significant role in preserving our natural heritage. They are living examples of how conservation and sustainable development can go hand in hand. Here's a mind-blowing fact. The Wakatobi Biosphere Reserve in Indonesia is part of the Coral Triangle, a region known for its incredible marine biodiversity, which houses 75% of the world's coral species. This makes it one of the most important marine areas on the planet. This reserve is a haven for marine biodiversity, offering a sanctuary for countless marine species, including rare and endangered species like the hawksbill turtle. Protecting these species is crucial for maintaining the health of our oceans. The underwater landscapes are unlike anything you've ever seen, teeming with life and vibrant colors, showcasing the planet's hidden beauty and fragility. These ecosystems are delicate and require our utmost care and attention. It's astonishing how such a critical area can remain relatively unknown. By exploring and supporting these reserves, we can help bring them the recognition they deserve. The hidden UNESCO Biosphere Reserves we've explored today highlight the incredible diversity and importance of these lesser-known sanctuaries. They are vital for the health of our planet and the well-being of future generations. Discovering and supporting them is crucial for global conservation efforts and protecting our planet for future generations. Every small action we take can make a big difference. So, what's your favorite hidden biosphere reserve? Have you visited any of these secret sanctuaries, or do you have one on your bucket list? Let me know in the comments. Your insights and experiences can inspire others to explore and appreciate these hidden gems. And don't forget to check out my other video on ecotourism to learn more about sustainable travel. Thanks for watching. Together we can make a difference in preserving our planet's natural beauty.